F1 series, and we've got the warning light on saying there's a bulb blown.
Every time we start it up, we pop the key in and give it a poke. This warning light comes up and drives you mad. I've struggled with this. I've hunted high and low for it, but here's what we found in the end. Let's switch it off.
Now, a real strange one. It's a bit of a loss of translation because I can't see a bulb that was blown. I've gone around the lights as best I can and checked them all out, but my mistake. I've overlooked this particular fault. Now here we go. Got the fault code on it because I was struggling to find out where the issue was.
We've got the dongle. I've got the other video showing all about these dongles. Check it out if you've not seen it. You use your phone and it Wi-Fi's to your phone and you can get all the codes out of the car. Now this one, into Convenience Electronics, and it would actually tell us which bulb it comes out with and where the fault is, which is really good.
It's come out with this code A208, backup light faulty. So I'm thinking, backup light, what we're talking, is it a backup brake light, a backup headlight, backup side light? No, it's not, is it? It's backup light, as in reversing light. So over here, UK, it's a reversing light. We don't have a backup light, but that's what it is. It turns out that the reversing light on the driver's side is packed up. So let's get in there and change this bulb over.
We'll give that 3 presses with the no pedals pressed, and it'll bring the ignition on so we can drop it into reverse and get these lights on the back. And this is my mistake because I checked these reversing lights on the car and there was one showing, and I was thinking, like a lot of cars, they only have one reverse light, but no, this one does have 2, and one of the bulbs on the driver's side there is failed. So let's get in the boot. Let's see if we can find out what's wrong with it. We get down here, there's this little blanking cover. You just push that in the side there and just pull it out. It's just a fabric kind of cover. Give it a good tug and away she comes.
Right, here we go, we're in the boot. We've got the rear light cluster there. It's got a little tab at the bottom, little tab at the top. You can squeeze that one, and I might have to disconnect it there. Just push the little tab and then pull the connector plug off. There we go. So that's that out of the way. Just have a look at that. Make sure that's not no meltingness on there. That looks good. We can pop this out, and then the reversing light is the bottom one, which must be this little chappy here. And there you can see the filament in there is blown. Now this looks like it's a capless 12 volt. Ooh, what's that say? 18 watt. Well, that's a bloody weird one, isn't it? 12 volt, 18 watt. So I'll have to go and get one of those and swap it over.
So these are your bulbs. A 921 eBay there, £1.90. Absolute bargain.
So we've got a nice new bulb. Let's stick that back in the hole, and then we'll pop it back in again. Just gently slide it in, locate the tabs. Flip it in nicely, and then plug the connector plug back in again, and then put the little trim back on. There we go, all done.